Welcome back to my channel. My name is David Abu. I want to look into Don't Summarize, and one of my friend was looking at this analysis. So for HRs who wants to compare what they are offering employees and what these employees are even getting outside, how do you compare these things? So this is just a simple data where you employ somebody and they accept or they reject your offer. Why? What are they getting outside? So you're trying to look at industry standard analysis of different employees of different skills. So now we want to analyze, and we're looking at employer. So these are the employer that let's say we are employing from, and you want to look at the salary they earn. These are the salary they earn. But if you notice that it sums up everything. So, and we want to look at the offer that we are giving them. So this is an issue whereby it sums up everything, but we want to be able to see one by one basis. And you notice that even in the data set, we don't have different name of employers. So it's like a anonymous survey or anonymous data set. So we just have only the name of the employers and the salary they earn and the offer they are getting. So how do we analyze this report? So that is what we are going to be looking at in this video. And what we can do is just a very simple trick that we can do. So if we go to salary here and you look at the drop down, you're going to see different things here. So what it's doing right now is summing them. So you have the different things that you want to summarize by, and we'll be looking at them later on in my series video. But right now, what we want to check out is this don't summarize. Now, immediately we click don't summarize, you will notice what happened. Immediately we can now analyze this data set and say, oh, okay, so we have employer, we have the salary, we have this offer. So how do we analyze? So okay, this person gets 2 million and we are offering him 1.9. So there's an issue. So this is actually what you use don't summarize for. So there are so many use cases that you can use don't summarize, especially when you want to look at a specific information and you want to be able to say, oh, say I don't want you to summarize it, I want to be able to understand the different roles that is applicable to a category. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much.